Zinc oxide nanoparticles are particles with dimensions between 1 to 100 nanometer and widely used in various fields. This research is about green combustion synthesis of zinc oxide nanoparticles using capsicum annum various glabresculum and its applications toward the photodegradation of dyes. The plant that will be used is Capsicum annum various glabresculum, or known as bud peppers. Why this research happened in the first place? The problem is conventional method using chemicals such as methanol is expensive and not readily available, and it is also dangerous as it can produce unwanted byproducts that is harmful to living things and nature. So this research is to find other alternative that is cheaper and environment friendly. Here are the comparison that shows green synthesis method has lower environmental impact than conventional methods. This research is to green synthesize zinc oxide nanoparticles using bud pepper plant extract for photocatalytic activities but with lower toxicity and high yield production. The main objectives of this research is to achieve an eco-friendly nanoparticle synthesis pathway. Let's first understand that zinc oxide nanoparticles is used in various sectors, especially photocatalysis, as it has unique properties and consisting of zinc and oxygen atoms. Zinc oxide nanoparticles can be used in other diverse sectors such as food industry, agriculture, and cosmetics. Past studies show that this green synthesis method have been done through the characterization such as thermogravimetric analysis, FTIR, scanning electron microscopy, UV visible, and X-ray diffraction. The method for plant extract preparation is simple. First step is pluck the pepper, then wash and process it into paste before undergo the phytochemical test. These are the phytochemicals that found in bud pepper. After that, proceed to the green synthesis of zinc oxide nanoparticles. And then, the yield need to undergo all previous tests to obtain the result. The result obtained might be slightly different from conventional method, but the product is safer and much easier to produce.